Hello dear subscribers, today we've got 2000 Suzuki Carry Turbo 4-wheel drive 4x4 power steering on this one, 5-speed manual, and it's only 20,500 miles. Turbocharged. It's got Japanese inspection. I do have previous video before I detail it, and it came up very good, shiny, very rare color. Usually they're all white. It's very rare when they painting them blue or any other colors. It's got some side boxes, tool boxes, needs to be washed. Here's the turbo 4-wheel drive Suzuki Carry. Perfect shape. Got some surface rust, little tiny thing here. Here's another one. I will touch it up later. It's a tiny one, it's hard to see. Other than that, one rust underneath of the mat up there, some surface rust, a little here, which is easy to fix. So I took the mats off. Awesome mats too. They I love them when they go all across. Very nice mats. I took them off to show you guys the flooring and everything. It's got windshield visors. Antenna is broke. I can order it. I mean, it's not big deal. It's not expensive, easy to repair, replace, only 2 screws. Very nice truck. No dents. The only dent I found when I was detailing, the only one is on the roof, and yeah, right here is one tiny. You're not going to be able to probably see it. It's right here somewhere. Oh, here. And another tiny one on the roof. I didn't detail inside. I mean, it's a dump truck. I mean, not dump truck. It's a pickup truck. Of course, sides comes out. They falls down. And this truck is in perfect condition, yeah, and runs like crazy, yeah. Turbo. This is first time when I had turbocharged. The faster you go, the more it pulls compared to supercharger. Supercharger is a little different. So it's got new style door covers, ticker, and look at that. Look at that floor, perfect. Not a single spot of rust. Just a perfect, super condition. Got little compartment here. Here's another one. Radio is works. Seats in perfect shape. Passenger seats perfect. Ceiling is good. Everything clean. Very nice truck. Yeah. Very nice truck. They're all good. They're all good. Yeah. Let's check this side. Same. Everything clean. Clean. Good. No rust. Here's some paint come off from the boots, probably. Constant heating with the boots. Yeah, right there is boot spots. Here's the VIN number. If anybody wants to see it. Oh, it's got 2. Wait, no, 1. Okay. Let's see. Let's go inside. Turbocharged. Starts right up. Oh, with the newer model Suzuki, you have to press clutch to start it. And that's it, whispering. And then make sure it's on neutral. Here's the lights. High, low, right, left. Signal works, light works. Yeah, everything works. Heat works perfect. Now what I like now, they start making those cup holders finally. Yeah. This is your 4-wheel drive operation. 5-speed manual. This is your hazard flashers. Perfect shape. Yeah. And I like this sealing, easy to clean, very solid compared to old-fashioned, old style where it was just a material glued in, and when it's getting super hot, the roof getting super hot, it slowly starts peeling. Yeah, got 2 handles for passenger and driver. Man, this is a nice truck, yeah. And also the front, it's got a little hood. Little tiny hood. Yep. Just a look at that. Coolant is level. I need to add some windshield wiper fluid. Brake fluid is level. Perfect. Radiator clean, everything good. Balloon. Shiny. Beautiful truck. Rare color. Very rare color. So I ordered already from the previous video, you probably seen them. I ordered all the brakes, all rear, front needs to be replaced. I found some, not leak, but steaming from the I think valve cover gasket, and also maybe crankshaft seal, which is I ordered the kit. So I replaced the valve cover gasket. I will replace when it arrives, probably next week, and then I'll do the timing belt kit also, since I'm gonna open it, and unless I'll find the sticker somewhere it's been replaced, but I doubt it. I'm gonna replace crankshaft seal, camshaft seal, timing belt tensioner, water pump, valve cover gasket. Also I will check the turbo, make sure everything's good there. And tomorrow I'm gonna replace all the fluids, front axle, rear axle, engine oil, transmission. Engine oil I might replace, I might not, because I gotta do crankshaft seal. I'll see if it's high enough, and I'll replace it anyway. This will be like a flush. And transmission oil will be replaced, so it's gonna be all serviced completely. Yep. And tires is good, but they did replace in Japan one tire in the back, so I might just put all brand new tires, and I'll put the spare, new spare. Other than that, it's a perfect truck. Yeah, really nice truck. Here's my phone number. Okay, this is gonna be short video. If anybody interested, give me a call. I will make a video how I do the timing belt on Suzuki. A little cramped up there, a little gonna be harder, which is mini truck, not big deal. I'll fix it. Okay, have a blessed life. Summer is coming. Swimming pool and all the goodies, summer goodies. Beautiful truck. I'll see you in the next video.